At our company, we are driven by innovation. We always innovate with the end user in mind, as we believe a flooring solution is only a smart solution when it meets the desires and demands of today's homes. The way people live inspires us to innovate. Today, space and resources are often limited, especially in urban areas. Therefore, the renovation of existing property is becoming more and more important. Wellness is very much alive in architecture. People are constantly looking for ways to make our homes more efficient, easier to maintain, and better for our overall well-being. We choose for better instead of bigger. Today, people focus on getting rid of the interior elements that cause stress. And they look for ways to implement some kind of softness and welcoming warmth inside. Each interior element has to contribute to the overall well-being, for sure the floor we live on. So we challenged ourselves to develop a renovation-friendly floor without losing the exceptional comfort our vinyl floors are known for. We're very proud to present our newest innovation and the new standard in vinyl flooring, LayRed.
LayRed is a floor that's up for every challenge. It's strong, yet soft and silent. But what's so special about LayRed? There are already many flexible LVT and recently also rigid vinyl floors on the market. Indeed, some manufacturers can make a resilient floor with acoustic and underfoot comfort. Some can make a strong floor, often referred to as rigid vinyl. Some can make a water-resistant floor, and some can make a floor with a realistic design. However, only we succeeded in combining all of these benefits in one single product, LayRed. For the first time ever, a flooring solution combines luxury design and great performances with unrivaled strength and supreme comfort. There's only one way to bring contradicting features together in one product, a multi-layer concept. LayRed is one board with 12 layers and 3 clear benefits. Could you ever have imagined that a 6mm plank could hide such a sophisticated technology? R&D Director Christophe will explain how we made all this happen.
When our board challenged us to develop a can-do-all product, we came back with a challenge for them as well. We will need a new and unique factory to make that product. And you know what? They did. At our Avelgem headquarters in Belgium, we've built a fully automated factory that is truly one of a kind. It's unique because at our company we're vertically integrated, which means we even design our own factories. It's unique because no other factory in the world is currently able to integrate so many different layers in one product. It puts us again at the forefront of innovation. A head start that is a headache for our competitors. It's fair to say LayRed really stands out. To mark that uniqueness, we have given LayRed a signature red backing. As such, the unique backing serves also as a quality stamp. When you want a can-do-all product, you need to look for the red backing. LayRed is also a wordplay. LayRed, layered. Got it?
You're probably curious about the actual engineered part of LayRed. In the next videos, we'll take a closer look at each benefit. Strength, comfort, design and performance. Stay tuned.